Happy Monday, everybody. Let's do a quick pre-market update. S&P 500 is in the neutral zone right now. Green lines, those who are new, green lines are the buy zone, red lines are the sell zones. And you can see this morning futures around here, around 4:30 a.m. Eastern time. Right now it's almost 8:50 a.m. Eastern. Came to the buy zone. Right now it's touched and then bounced. Okay, now it's in the neutral zone. In the middle, we don't do anything. We wait for it to either to go to sell zone, which is here around 4217 on S&P 500, US 500. And if I go to MES chart, micro E-mini futures, it's also in the sell zone, neutral zone right now. Sell zone is around 47.57. So let's say around 47.60, which can still go above around 0.5%. So 47.60 and up, this is where you should be looking to take profits. In the middle, you do nothing. You just wait for it to go to the sell zone, or you wait for it to come back to buy zone to buy again. All right. And NASDAQ 100, same thing here, around 4:30 a.m. Eastern, came to the buy zone, bounced, and now it's in the middle, so in the neutral zone, going towards 16,396. And if I go to MNQ chart, that zone is here around 16,562 and up. Okay, so this is the area, let's say around 16,600-ish. This is where you should be looking to take profits. So a bounce from here can take you around around let's say 0.7%. Okay, so this is the ideal zone for today to take profits. If anytime you're here, you can. All right, had some internet issues. Anyhow, so Dow Jones is here. You can see it's in the middle. Came to the buy zone here, mainly due to Boeing. If you look at Boeing, it's down 7% pre-market, massive dump. Some news came, not sure what, but it's selling off since then. So anyhow, so Dow Jones is between buy zone and neutral zone. Russell 2000, same thing between buy zone and neutral zone. So if it comes below 1937 and below, look to buy Russell. Dow Jones, if it comes below 37, 234 and below, look to buy. All right. Tesla, it came to again to the buy zone around 4:30. You can see all stocks pre-market were in the buy zone. Now coming in closer to neutral zone. My target is here, 246. So I already have a sell signal here around 3.57% up. So if it reaches here, it's already going to be sold my shares. So this is my target for today. If it reached there, then it's great. Else I'll wait for a couple of days. Apple also was in the buy zone pre-market, and now the target is here 183 from where we are right now. That's around 1.3% away. That can happen in one day. Okay. Gold in the buy zone. You can see here. You should be looking to buy gold and gold miners. Silver. Silver is a bit higher, so I think silver will dump more. So looking for a little bit more dump on silver from here around 1.39%. Crude oil is in the buy zone. Very good time to buy crude oil right now. I took all my miners positions away last week, and now again it's again in the buy zone. Natural gas also in the buy zone, just touching the buy zone. Bitcoin is in the sell zone. Massive pump in the sell zone. Good time to short. In my opinion, Ethereum is also in the sell zone right now. Hang Seng Index China coming to close this gap, still not closed yet. Looking for a little bit more downside, and that after that, I think China will be good to buy. 0.35% more lower. I'm looking for Alibaba and Baidu stocks like those. Bond market is in the neutral zone. Commodities, copper in the nearby zone. Palladium in the buy zone. Soya beans in the buy zone. Wheat in the buy zone. Corn in the buy zone. Sugar, it's in the sell zone. Why these are going up? Maybe dollar is also not up. I'm not sure why commodities are selling. But anyhow, triple Qs, the levels are not here, but I mean the gaps are not here, but levels are here. 408, 400 and up, look to sell. SPY should be, there's a gap around 474. I don't know if it's gonna fill there, but at least 471 and up, look to sell SPY. All right. Stock wise, Netflix, neutral zone. Google is in the buy zone, so you can still look to buy Google. Gold miners are in the buy zone. Newmont Mine is in the buy zone and biggest miner. And CNQ, there was a gap here, biggest Canadian oil miner. Looks like it's going below with a gap down, so that's good news because gaps will get filled. So we'll see by the end of the day how things are looking. I will be looking to trade CNQ. Anyhow, going back to the zones, guys. S&P 500 in the neutral zone, Nasdaq in the neutral zone, Dow Jones coming close to buy zone, and Russell 2000 also in the neutral.